Hey everyone, so there is nothing more annoying than slide liners. Hate slide liners. So this is what we do when we want to dry a slide without removing the liner. So we have the slide up, and you know there's still gonna be water under here, right? You know, as much as you leave it to bake in the sun, there's still gonna be water under here. Problem is, if you start removing all the Velcro, you're gonna have a problem with the Velcro is gonna get messed up. You can never put it back the same, and I can even feel this a little damp right here. So this is one thing we've been doing, is you could put a blower slightly under the liner, okay, and that's going to help dry it that way. Now you still have a problem where the water needs somewhere to go. So what we do is, I don't know if you can see, but we open up the other end. See if I can go up there. We open up the other end slightly, and check it out. So you see, we have all this air coming through because we opened it up from here, and it's blowing from there. So now we get to dry this nice without having to remove the whole liner and all that headache. So that's how we dry our slides without having to remove the liner. Hope this helps because I freaking hate liners.